Crafties, I wish you all a very beautiful day. So let's make a sunset theme scenery sticker book. So here I have taken an A4 printing paper sheet and a polythene and some sketch pens, and do as I have shown in the video. And this is plain water in a spray bottle. So I have sprayed it on the polythene and now I'm placing it on the paper, and let the colors absorb on the paper, and some left you can color it with brush. So here it is done, and now let it dry completely like this. Same way I have made one more, and now fold it like this as I am showing. Now let's make the design. So for the first one we are making Christmas trees. Very simple, easy to make. I'm using black sketch pens and brush pens. This is white acrylic paint to make the sun, and a yellow one too. And the next one I am making street lights. Like this. For the third one I am using these pastel shades sketch pens. These are of Tom's, and some white acrylic paint to make the waves in water and the sun. For the fourth one I'm making tall buildings in the city. Words light up. And some birds. Let's make these wire towers. Some little birds in the sky. Here I'm making a setting sun in the sea. Making waves. Fourth one making some grasses and some clouds. For the eighth one I'm making giant Ferris wheel. For making all these you don't need to be very good at drawing. They are quite simple to make, and I have kept them all easy. Ninth one, make the lights and some clouds. These are mountains. These are wind chimes in a grassland. Making some clouds with the pastel domes sketch pens. These are of quite light shades, so it's easy to color with them. This is a coconut tree. So the first one is done and you can see it's look quite good. Same way I have made some more, and now I'm going to tear them. You can either tear them like this or cut them with scissors. They look quite beautiful to me. Now assemble them together and secure it with a glue like this. I'm pasting a thin paper to secure it nicely, and this is a thick chart paper of size as mentioned. I'm making the cover of it, and now glue it to the cover, and it's done. Our handmade beautiful sunset theme sticker book is ready. So beautiful they are. I just love it how it turned out, and I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and do try it at your home and share it with your friends too. And don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Same way I have made more. You can check these on my channel. Stay tuned for more.